feel like I was meant to be doing something. The YouTube video! What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Hopefully you enjoyed that intro. So today we are driving and shooting the Liberty Walk Nissan GTR R35. Yeah, it's quite a special car. At the time it was Europe's very first Liberty Walk GTR. It was showcased at the Geneva Motor Show, which is like the world's biggest, pretty much like the world's biggest motor show, which is pretty mad. It belongs to Will Prentice, and obviously I work with him, so it's definitely an advantage to have that car sat there every single day for me to look at. And then the time came when finally I can drive it, shoot it, do what I want with it, sort of thing. So yeah, the R35 is my dream car. So it's like so many mad things happening all at once when I drove it. And it's pushing a Litchfield Tune 1000 brake horsepower. Bomber clat. So in today's video, I'm gonna put on screen the before and after edits of me on set. So you're gonna get photos as well as gimbal shots. Yeah man, you're getting a big treatment today. And I've also just released a new preset pack called Zion. It's filled with 6 presets with all sorts of shooting conditions. So cloudy, overcast, underexposed, in the daytime sort of thing. Yeah, it's definitely designed for pretty much everything. And I use about 2 or 3 different presets to edit the photos that you will see in this video. Anyway, let me hush my lips and enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you at the end. We're in the GTR. I'm not gonna boot it because I'm looking after it. I'm just driving it to the places I need to go, doing the content and then bringing it back. I'm not like, don't expect anything. Don't expect any launches or nothing, but this is literally my dream car as well. This is like the next car I want, is an R35 GTR. I'm gonna do photos first. The Sony A7 III with the with the Sony 24-70 G Master 2.8 with a variable ND and CPL filter on. Yeah, it pretty much always stays like this. So tripod for like adverts and stuff, and then gimbal. So yeah. Because you can't see the camera screen, I'm obviously going to throw the settings on the screen that you're watching. Get some nice warm-up shots. And we'll do some slightly lower shots. So a quick example why you need a CPL is I'm going to take a picture with the window polarized like that. Now I'm going to take another shot with it twisted so it's not polarized. And now look at the windscreen again. So that's the difference between having a CPL and not having a CPL. We've got some helicopters in the background. I probably won't be able to get them that close because they're quite far away. Pretty much do a 360 all the way around the car. See the helicopter in the background? Might not be able to see it that well. Quite cloudy. The sun's nice and hidden behind the clouds. And if you're a photographer, you know why those settings are perfect. Just acts as like a big softbox. We've got a little bit of foliage you can work with at the bottom right hand corner. Add a bit of depth to the shot. I don't know how many times I'm going to say fucking depth today. Nice and low. Okay, so this is when the ND filter is going to come in handy. See? If I turn it all the way, there you go, and then turn it back. All I'm doing is just turning that. I shoot in HLG2 for anyone that has Sony. You've got to expose about 0.7 to 1 stop overexposed, and then you create an S-curve in grading. Whenever I'm doing push-ins and slight pens, try and move as slow as you can. Remember, the slower you are on the gimbal, the better the shot. Don't expect the gimbal to do all the work. Like, you still need to put your work in. You still need to do a ninja walk. So a nice push in, slightly veering off left, pan in to the right to try and keep it in the middle, like that. So working some rear closer shots, just trying to focus on showing off that it's Liberty Walk, even though you know
but it's nice to get that logo in. Never had to talk whilst doing gimbal shots. But yeah, pan ins, pan outs, always have more than one clip. So a helicopter took off whilst I was waiting for that plane, so I'm gonna get that shot as well. So yeah, closer details on like the canards and stuff. Alright, so this is what I look like when I'm getting shots. I forgot to say the gimbal I'm using is the DJI Ronin M. I've had it quite a while now. I bought the ring grip and the feet, which were like 90 quid alone just for the feet. The ring grip from DJI official website was about, I can't remember, 200 or something quid. So NATO top handle, NATO rail screwed onto the top of the DJI plate that obviously comes with it, and then just, yeah, all my stickers and stuff. Yeah, I fucking love it. The next monitor is going to be the Atomos Ninja 5. Alright, so really quickly I'm just going to chuck it in the middle of this road. Take some shots off center, show how long the car is. Take some low ones. Because I've got loads of close-ups and details anyway, we really only need to get like front and rear sort of stuff. Nice and low. Oh my god, so moody with the cloud. But what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to chuck, if I remember, because I'm a busy man, I'm going to chuck some RAWs from this down in the description below. So go over to my website, download them for free in the free section, and you can just play with them. Upload them if you want to. Tag Will, tag Liberty Walk, tag me. Obviously tag me because of my photos. Just tag me, be like RAWs by Lewis Morris Media, and then just show me your edits. It'd be nice to see what other photographers can do with these photos. I think the last time I did that was when I shot the AMG GTR, the green one. I know that Ronin Shots on Instagram actually DM me saying, give me some RAWs. So if you're watching, it's just because of you. It's your fault, in a good way. So yeah, I actually can't believe the clouds right now. It's giving me the best vibes. Woo! Jeez! Work around quickly. I don't want to spend too much longer here. Cool. There's a helicopter over there, so obviously we're going to take this shot all the way in at 75mm, and that's where I wanted him. Yeah, we got it. So I'm going to see if we can get a better shot from this way with the helicopter in the background again. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm actually gassed. Sick. Right, let's move on. Right, so we moved on to the next location. This one is Watermead in Leicester. Loads of school kids have just turned up, so I feel like they're going to come over. But yeah, this spot's really good because it overlooks like water. So get some nice shots with that in the background. There they are. Cheers. So the kids obviously going to love it. So with this one, pretty much just working my way from the rear first. Cheers. It is, yeah. Sick. I love this spot. Shooting high is going to look better because you've got the water. So, man, this looks so sick. Because I want to get the water in, we're going to go for F5. I'm going to start nice and low, and we'll basically come up nice and high. Ninja walking, boy. Ninja walking. Just getting different sort of shots. So I'm twisting and moving at the same time. And then go back to the right, just in case that first shot doesn't work. So always go in both directions, just in case you don't like the first sort of take. It's different, yeah.
What is it?
It's a Nissan GTR.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's just heavily
Skirts on and
yeah, it's just got a wide body kit on.
what's the engine?
It's got 1,000 brake horsepower.
That's it.
Yeah.
You know, I had a Porsche 911.
Oh yeah. So it's always nice to get slightly different angles, especially when you get in video. Right, okay, so we're gonna move to another spot. It'll probably be on a different day, so yeah, next. Right guys, we're back. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's about a week later. But we move, we get shit done. So we're gonna do photos first in this location, because this location I shot this bagged 8 series, so definitely a dope spot. So I thought I'd revisit it with a GTR and just give it a go. Make sure I'm exposing that window. Car looks so good any way you take it. It might have been Adam's Golf. Yeah, whatever I throw on the screen will be what I remember the last time I came here in. Or I'll just throw them both on the screen, who knows. So because it's such a bright day as well, it's always nice to get some shots of the car in the shade, and then I shoot slightly underexposed. There's a lot of cow pat around here I need to dodge. I like experimenting to have different ranges. So I'll do some really underexposed just to test out like my own presets and mess about and stuff. And then I'll do some like where the car has good exposure, but in my eyes it's slightly overexposed sort of thing. See how that looks. Make sure I expose that window. Looks so good. With your angles, you can always do some low ones, some standing up ones. You can hold the camera really high to as high as you can reach sort of thing in the air. I think when you shoot a car, some people complicate it too much. They're worrying about too much. Just shoot every single angle from different like heights and different levels and you're good. Like you can do a full, make sure you've just done a full 360 around the car and then worry about like close-ups and details. Because even if you go to a spot where you think, oh, I've not got much time left because I'll probably get kicked out, well, hurry up then, innit? Like, if you're at a spot where time isn't an issue, then you ain't got nothing to stress about. Don't complicate it, man. Like, just, at the end of the day, if you're watching this video, you like car photography, you probably watch other videos like North Borders and 7th Era that do a lot of POV stuff, and you're most likely into cars. Right, so I just found a cheeky spot down here, so I had to get out of the way of this Royal Mail van, and look at this little location. Did me a favour. I didn't know this was it. Yeah, cheers. Oops, oh, there's a dog. I like it. I'm shooting at 24mm and I quite like it. Right, I'm really digging this like front shot, this front angle. Now I'll turn the car around, so gotta be done, innit? Right, so done with photos. I'm pretty happy with what I've got so far. So let's get some gimbal shots. Where we've got the trees, well, the branches just above the shot. So for this one I might go a little bit lower and then slightly come up. Just a nice slow push to the right. So you got a bit of sun flare. And if I come really close to the wheel it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start close, and as I back up the sun flare is going to pop at the top of the screen. Just like that. You don't want too many of those shots in your video. 1 or 2 will be sweet. So the next shot I'm gonna get is gonna be at 75mm, because you don't want all the shots to be at the same focal length. Not there's anything wrong with that, but you'll see what I mean when you watch this clip on the screen. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna film that exact same angle, but at 24mm, and you'll see the complete difference. There's not much compression. It's just like, the whole scene is pretty much unfocused, and the car doesn't stand out as much as if it was at 75mm. So there's the difference between getting a zoom lens when you're filming. So I'm pretty gassed with like the stuff I've shown you in the video so far, and I don't want it to be too long, even though it is the GTR. Also, the GTR is going over to someone that works for Alpine, and he's gonna fit brand new audio into the GTR today, and I don't know how long he's gonna have the car for. So I don't want to say, oh, we're gonna jump to the next spot when we haven't got another spot. I'd love to take this on a night shoot. Yeah, I'll just take it on a night shoot and do another video. Yeah, let's just do the outro, man. So there have it, guys. The photos and videos are complete. You'll be able to see this stuff online, my Instagram for the photos. They're not perfect how I wanted them, 100%, but I'm happy with them so far. If you're watching this video in the first month of me uploading this video, you can win the GTR if you're from the UK, because it's now on exclusivecompetitions.com. So it's £9.95 a ticket, and then you can win the car. Yes, sick. So if you learned something new from this video, or just genuinely enjoyed watching this POV video, because I watch them all the time, then thanks for watching this far. These videos are long to make. They're such a long process. The filming, the editing, setting up all the GoPros, stuff like that, but it's worth it at the end. Like I said, I edited a couple of the photos using the new preset pack, which has 6 presets, so you're more than welcome to have a look on the website to see the before and after shots in different situations and scenarios. So you can get that preset pack on lewismorrismedia.com. Hopefully you drop a subscribe and a like on this video, help grow the channel, which obviously helps me as well. I'll try and be a bit more consistent with uploading, but I'm a busy boy at work, so it's very hard to do my personal stuff as well as work. Like I always say, the less we hate, the more we create. So hopefully I'll see you in the next video, which should be soon. Hopefully. Yeah, sick.